Cheers, Cloudfather here. Today we're actually taking pieces of PLA and PETG and we're testing them on the laser to see if we can do engraving and graphics on them. Bear in mind this is a diode laser. This would be more efficiently done on a UV, but that's what we're going to do the next few passes on here to see how different materials work. Okay, so let's take a look. So that looks like it's a little hot. This is going to be interesting. This was 6,000 at 20. This was 6,000 at 30. This is 24,000 at 20. It looks a lot better in the black than it does in the red. Partially probably because the red discolors and the black doesn't. So as you can see in the black, that's 6,020, 6,025, 6,030. So we're going to play around a little more, try a few more passes, see what we can do to clean these up. Okay, just barely touches it at 15 at 24,000. I'm going to drop it to 10,000, see if we can get a little better. I like this one on the bottom because it's not melting as much. It actually did fairly well in the black. So we'll go put them in, change a bit here and try again. Okay, we got our results. So as you can see, the PLA, not a really good candidate for engraving. This is at 50%, that's at 25% power, and not particularly impressive. It's slightly better on the black, and you can get an almost reasonable engrave, but when you try to cut this stuff, it just doesn't work well. You can see the cutting depth is pretty shallow, 50%, 25% at 600, which is fairly slow. So not a good candidate for doing most things, although you can on the black get a fairly good engraving as long as you're keeping the power at 20 and going maybe 10,000 at 600 dpi. So that's all for today, but like I say, it's something I've been wanting to try for a while. Cloudfather out.